Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Halloween. I've got the Ipsy Advent Calendar, and I don't think I've seen anybody open this yet. Maybe someone has, but if you haven't seen either, stay tuned, see if you want to put this on your wish list. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thanks for stopping by, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. I have the Ipsy Advent Calendar. This is $149, at least that's what I paid for it. But I figured I wasn't getting the Look Fantastic or the Glossy Box one. I have seen some people open up the Look Fantastic one. I didn't think it was fantastic. I don't know what they thought. But it wasn't something that I was interested in, which is too bad because last year it was, I think, amazing. I don't even know if Glossy Box has one. So I went with the Ipsy one. I did see some spoilers of some great products. So I'm really hoping for some great products. Now I wanted to wait to do these until, you know, it was more seasonable, at least closer to Thanksgiving. But then I thought some of you might, like me, want to know what's in there, which is what I did with the Look Fantastic ones. I was glad that they were out so early. So I thought I would open this with you guys early so you can see if it's something you would want to spend your hard-earned bucks on. Here it is. And there's going to be 2 levels. Last year's, I was not excited by it. I didn't get the full one. I did get the, I think, 12-day one, I think it was. That one was pretty good. All full-size items. It was fantastic. Great things. I did see some spoilers of full-size items, so I was pretty excited to get this one, even if it's just those items that I'm excited about. Number 1, starting off with a good size box. I'll tell you what I thought was amazing. Miss Jackie Russell opened up the MAC one, and I liked everything except for one product, which was like a really red lippy in there, but everything looked amazing. So go check her out. Check that one out. It is a pricier one. It's like $220. So probably not going to get that unless on Black Friday it goes on sale for like wicked cheap. Okay, day number 1, we have the Pacifica Disobey Time Rose and Peptide Facial Mask. Love Pacifica. Love the stuff that we've been getting. This is a cruelty-free brand. Do you know what else I love about this? I don't have to search. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at this. I don't have to search. That's amazing. I think you waste more time in these videos trying to search for these boxes. Box 2 by Iconic. We have the Triple Threat Mascara. I do have this at home. I've not used it, but Iconic usually does make some good products. This will probably be gifted or go in a giveaway because I still have one at home that I've not even opened. Now, I'm going to tell you though, if this was the Benefit Magnet Mascara, oh yeah, no, that'd be put aside because that is the bomb right there. Benefit, for me, and I was always a Tarte girl when it came to mascaras, but I'm going to tell you the Benefit mascara line has really blown them out of the water, and I love a Tarte mascara, but the Benefit ones, oh, amazing. Number 3, ooh, it's by Josie Maran. I'm going to need some glasses to tell you what it is. I love Josie Maran. They make a fantastic argan oil. This is the Argan Beta Retinoid Pink Algae Serum. So it's going to be a nighttime serum. Number 4 by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a satin lipstick. This is in Cherry. Now, this is a cruelty-free brand. I don't necessarily know if the formula is vegan, but it is a cruelty-free brand. Here's how it looks. Now that is a red. I don't know that I'm going to have to look up how that looks on because that's not, it's a great product. Not sure it's going to be a me product, so I don't want to swatch it. 5. This feels very light. This one might be a disappointment. State of Change, Joy. I don't know. Oh, it's a perfume. There is a coupon on the back for 15% off. Oh, it's a, okay, that's interesting. Oh. Oh, I like that. I'm gonna have to look up the scent notes. It's very, very light. The biggest thing that bothers me in perfumes is typically the alcohol in sandalwood. This, because it's a balm, that's not there, so it's a nice light scent that doesn't get caught in my lungs. So I'm actually excited about that. I gotta say, oh, this one's heavy. I gotta say, I'm pretty excited by this box. Okay, this is number 6. There's a big product in here that I can't quite. There we go. Get out. Oh, it's another ABH. It is the stick highlighter in Iced Out. So there is the shade. And I'm not going to swatch this because I do have one at home. I don't know if it's the same color or not. And if it is, I want to put it aside. But on the bottom here, we've got a nice little brush to just brush that highlighter in. And that's 2 full-size ABH products already. 7. Oh, I love this. We have the Wishful Yo Glow. Now this is like a travel size maybe. I love this. This is my favorite. It smells like the beach, first of all. So it's an enzyme cleaner, so you're going to put it on your face. Look, I usually do a makeup balm, and then I would put this on when I have it. Put this on, let it sit for about a minute, and let those enzymes just do their work, and then wash it off and use a regular soap from there. So I love this. This is a favorite product of mine. Number 8. Oh, this is a double by Lottie London, which is not a terribly expensive brand, but we have 2 palettes. Look at how gorgeous. I love this one. My daughter will love this one. 9. This is another heavy one. By Tresleuce is a lip product, I believe it says. Lips Be Like Plumping Lip Gloss. Love a plumping lip gloss in Dazzling. There is how that looks. This is a vegan company, so I like that. 10. This is the Aveda Botanical Repair Bond Building Styling Cream. So this is a small size. This is like a deluxe sample. 11. This is the Give Them Lala Beauty Bora Bora Bronzer. I don't have, I believe, anything by this brand. This is a cruelty-free brand. I see the little bunny on the back. It's a beautiful bronzer. Beautiful. 12. We have a skin tool. It does need a battery, so it came open like this, no battery in it. But this is a nice skin tool. This is really good for under your eyes. It's got a nice cool top. You're going to just, 13, although just because they're big doesn't mean they're full. By KVD is the Tattoo Pencil Liner. This is in black. There is how it looks. And this is totally empty. So, it's all here. Okay, I'm going to have to take a picture of that and send that to them. Maybe it might work from there. I know this used to be a vegan cruelty-free brand. I don't know if it still is or not. But if there's one thing that I like as much as my benefit is this, and this was one of the spoilers. It is the Huda Legit Lashes Mascara. So this has 2 sides, 2 different wands. It has kind of like a half smile, not a full smile, but a half smile. And then another one on the different side. So this one's for curling, this one's for lengthening. you do one, then you do the other. I usually do the lengthening first and then the curling. I don't know if that's the right order, but I love this mascara. 15, this is heavy. It has a big product in it. Oh, it is the Keys Transformation Cream. Love this brand, love this line. Here is how it looks. I have used this before. I love this cream. It does have a little bit of a musky scent, kind of like a little bit sandalwood, which I don't usually care for, but I like the cream enough that I'll live with it. 16. By Elemis is the Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Wash. It's a skin refining cleanser. This is 30 milliliters, but with Elemis, this could be like a $45 value. Elemis is not cruelty-free at this time. They were, and they no longer are. I go over that in my FabFitFun one, but basically in order to sell on mainland China, you have to do animal testing or meet 3 conditions, one of which being that I think it's the finished product or some part of the product has to be made in China. It can't contain like anything new, exciting, that kind of stuff. Can't remember all 3 of them, but they do not say that they have met those conditions. They say, except we are cruelty free, except we're required by law. So take that for what it's worth. 17. By Brogio, we have the Be Gentle, Be Kind Aloe and Oat Milk Ultra Soothing 3-in-1 Cleansing Bar with 2% colloidal oatmeal for hair, face, and body. So I don't care for a hair bar because I have very fine thin hair, and I've tried them that were made for it. Didn't work for me, but this would definitely be good for the body. This is Leaping Bunny certified, so Brogio is a cruelty-free brand and 100% recyclable packaging. Well, maybe that plastic inside isn't. I'm not really sure. Sometimes the plastic is, but it's not like in a big plastic container, which is nice. And this is vegan. 18, very light. I think it's another face mask. Oh, no, it's not. This is by Gimme, and these are like those little hairbands that people like that don't leave marks but make my hair just a tangled mess. 19. Ooh, this is by War. It's the She's Like the Wind Invisible Dry Shampoo and Conditioner, and I'm not sure what was powdery because it doesn't look like this would be powdery, but maybe it is. Let's open it up and find out. Oh, yeah. Is that supposed to be a powder? I don't know. But it's everywhere. Well, I mean, I'll send them a picture of how it's like everywhere. See what they say. I don't know. Pump as needed onto dry hair. How are you going to pump it? It's powder. Focusing on the roots, apply 4 to 5 inches away from hair. Lightly massage scalp. Okay, I'm so confused. I'm going to have to look that up. 20. We have Bag Balm Skin Moisturizer. Works wonders on dry skin. This is going to be for my daughter who has eczema. 21. We have the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and this is actually one of the FabFitFun choices. I have one actually in a box at home. I've not used it, but it does say some great things about it. If you want to know more about that, check out my FabFitFun spoiler number 1, where I go over all the details on this. But that right there, that's like a $90 value. 22, 89, $90 value, something like that. Glam Glow Super Mud Mask. I believe I have used this before and enjoyed it. 23, very light. Ooh, okay, all right. I'm for it. We got a set of 3 brushes. These are SL Miss Glass, the Trio Cotton Candy Set. All right, there we go. We have 3 brushes with cute little stones. These are great brushes. I've gotten some others in this by this company. 24. We have the Dionys Hand and Body Goat Milk Cream in Vanilla Bean. This is great for people with sensitive skin. I have a friend at work who has eczema and she swears by goat creams or goat milk cream. Okay, 25. It's very light. 25, that should be your showstopper right there. I don't think it is. Let's see. It's Beauty Sponge. Dose of Colors Beauty Sponge. It's nice. But is it a day 25? I think really the Elemis was more. And I think most people expect a day 25 like a palette from a beauty one. Oh, it's interesting looking. Feels nice. It's a fine pointed tip for precise under eye application and large rounded sides and bottom for distributing and blending product on face and body. Okay. Thoughts. A couple of products in there that were duds only because that Boar product got powder all over me. It's all over my jeans. And the KVD did come out. I also don't think 25 was a showstopper, and I think 25 should be your showstopper. I think they probably should have swapped that $90 Elemis. I mean, that could be an expensive beauty blender, but still, it's just not a showstopper. And like I say, in these boxes, most people expect 25 to be some, like, palette. I'm just saying. But overall, I think it's a good box. I think I'm happy that I got it. I'm excited with the products in here. Some of them I already have. Some of them I'm not sure if I have. But, I mean, 2 ABH products. It's fantastic. Lots of great things in here. That brush set is nice. The 2 mini palettes by Lottie London, not expensive but pretty, very nice palettes. So I think I did get my money's worth, and I think I am happy with it. So let me know your thoughts though. Is this something on your radar? Maybe a Black Friday sale? Maybe they'll have it a little bit cheaper. I don't know. But if you are interested and you are a member of Ipsy, check it out. Again, I think it was a good box. I think it was worth it. All right, let me know your thoughts. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.